I'm tired. Hi guys, I didn't start this vlog from my room, but my place is just across the street, so I just came here. I'm taking a walk. I'm trying to get acclimatized with the area. And I guess I'll be doing more of my videos here, so guys, let's get used to the place already. So let me show you how I look, what I'm wearing. It's quite cold. It's not winter, it's autumn, but then it's quite cold, so let me show you. So I guess we are discovering I could go this way, but I've seen this. It looks nice. Let's enter. Mira, so the end my will be mine. Oh, okay. So this is like a park. So guys, we are moving on. This is a music school. It's called the Musique de la Fleur. It's a very, very beautiful small town. I am almost at my place. I'm so tired, guys. So I am here. This is us. Red. Okay. And we can go in. We are home. And we are tired. Very, very tired. Whew, I'm tired. I now get to show you my food. Yeah. Guys, let me cook something. Actually, my other phone, my battery died, so I'm using this one now. Let's quickly get some food together and eat. I'm hungry. We will continue in a bit. Okay, let me put the phone on charge because the battery is down and focus on the cooking. I'm sure by the time I'll come back and talk to you guys, my food would be ready. Steaming chicken, I'll fry. I want to make chicken stew and rice. My rice is on, so I guess it's a full chicken actually. I couldn't get to buy, the butcher shop was closed, and so this is where we are now, guys. So I'll catch you later. My battery is really down, so let me put it on charge. I'm putting my tomato sauce on. So I'll add my tomatoes. I'll add a bit of spice. Then I bought some peppers, so I would add what you might do. So my rice is over there, and my chicken is right here. Let's look at the rice. Steaming hot, and I have my movie here ready to watch. My water. I'm ready to eat, guys. I guess this is where we end the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh, the TV. Oh, sorry, the movie is making noise. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. This is the end of the video. I have to end here. I'm so hungry. Join me next time in my next video. But for now, it's bye. Mwah.